Two activists of Meitei and Thadou filed affidavit to Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla, alleging that BJP MLA Paolienlal Haokip of Saikot Assembly constituency is either foreigner or legally non-existent person. D. Michael Lamjathang Haokip, who is from Thadou tribe, and Mayang Lambam Bobby Meitei have filed a 63-page sworn affidavit to Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla, highlighting that Paolienlal Haokip enrolled as a voter for the first time in 2021 at the age of 46 and cited discrepancies such as the implausible age gap between him and his daughter. The affidavit said Paolienlal Haokip's name was not a case of transfer of voter or voter list from another constituency in a state like Assam, where any Kuki tribes have been in the ST list before it re-entered Manipur's ST list in 2003. On the other hand, MLA Paolienlal Haokip, one of the prominent critics of ex-Chief Minister Biren and a main political figure in the demand for separate administration for Kuki tribes, has termed a move by two activists seeking his disqualification as an attempt to silence him. Paolienlal Haokip, a member of any Kuki tribes category, has rejected the allegations, calling them a brazen attempt to silence the voice of the oppressed people. He remains among 10 Kuki-Zo MLAs, 7 from the BJP, demanding a union territory with legislature for their community, asserting that the state government's delay in addressing these demands is worsening the crisis. The controversy has renewed debate over the legal status of any Kuki tribes in Manipur's ST list, which the state government proposed removing in 2023 pending parliamentary approval.